Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you 10 products for specifically brown girls, especially tan dusky skin girls, and these are the products, 10 products which work amazing for my skin tone, and I hope that these products will also do wonders to your skin tone. So even if you are a beginner, you can also get your hands on these products. These products, they work amazingly and they tend to enhance your features, so that's what we are going to talk. I have got you covered. Like, there are many products, and yeah, maybe some of them you do have already, but this is the video. I'm going to tell you all about those 10 products which you need. If you are a brown girl, you need it. Now without any further ado, let's get started. So let's start with a base product first. So the product which I'm going to show you is this one. This is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation, and guys, this is in the shade caramel, if you can see. So I am NC42 and I tend to have problems in getting a perfect shade match for my skin tone, but guys, this foundation here is everything. So I am going to insert clips so that you guys know what I am talking about. This is a pretty good, pretty full coverage foundation. If you are looking for a full, like, new foundation, you can definitely consider buying this. And this is oily girl friendly, and this is not even drying. So something about this foundation is too good and very nice. So yeah, this is my first recommendation for brown skin girls. Now coming to the second product. So this is a product which I have used and abused, like, throughout the winters, even summers. I really like to use this particular product. So I'm talking about this one. This is by Body Shop Lip and Cheek Tint, and this particular shade is Pink Hibiscus 001. So this has a really rosy texture, let me show you, and looks flushed off on your skin, and your skin looks really nice and really hydrated if you apply this. And you see, you have really less color and gives your look, like, cheeks a fuller look and rosy look. So I definitely recommend this one if you are a brown skin girl. This is the perfect cheek tint for you. It does not work very good as a lip tint, but as a cheek tint, this is really good. Okay, so now coming to the next recommendation, which I think you guys must have seen me using almost in every tutorial. So this is none other than this one. This is the Nykaa Strobe and Glow in the shade Bronze. It's such a good highlighter. I can't say enough things about this one. So this is too good. It is not at all chunky, or it is not at all too glittery. It is like your skin. Can you see? It does not give you a caked up look, so it looks so pretty. Can you see the glow here? Looks very pretty on your skin. And this particular shade Bronze looks amazing on dusky skin girls. Plus it is paraben, cruelty and free, and it's a vegan product. Guys, coming towards the cheek products. So the next, again, you have seen me using this like many times. So this is the Maybelline Master Chrome Molten Gold highlighter. So you can see the halat of my dabba. So this particular highlighter, it just lights up your skin like nobody's business, and it's a golden highlighter which looks so pretty on my skin tone. Like, this is one highlighter which I am going to repurchase if this is going to be over or expired. So this is how it looks like. So if you are a dusky skin girl, or dark skin girl, if you're looking for a highlighter, golden highlighter, so this is your baby. Go and get this one. So I don't know, I have very less words to speak about this product because this is my favorite. Okay, now in the cheeks category we have a blush, and this is a recent discovery. I heard about this blush in Nidhi's channel, Nidhi Jain's channel. So this one is the blush which I'm talking about. This is the LA Colors Rouge blush, and this is in the shade Radical. Now you must be thinking, oh, this is such a vibrant color, how we are going to use this color on our face. So it looks very vibrant here, but when you apply it on your skin, can you see that invisible glow it gives, like color it gives? Like amazing color. And this is so buttery, and yeah, like this is not even expensive. So if you're looking for good blushes, you should definitely check out this range. And this shade in particular is bomb, so you are going to thank me later if you are going to buy this one. So this one is the next product which brown girls should have. Now coming to the bronzer category, I do have a bronzer. So now it is very difficult for like us to find a good bronzer that is really dark for our skin tone, like dark in a good manner, right? And we don't find it because in India bronzers still, like, they launch shades which don't suit our skin tone. But guys, no more, I have found a bronzer which I think is the best in the market out there. So this is the NYX Professional bronzer, and this is matte bronzer, okay? And this is in the shade Deep Tan. So again, you have seen me using this one in almost all the tutorials. So this is a little powdery, and this is how it looks like, but the color out here is perfect. It's not too deep, like it's not too red, or it's not too cool toned. So this is the perfect, you know, color which suits my skin tone, and it is amazing. Like, you must try this one if you are of NC 42 or 43 for that matter. It is an amazing contour slash bronzer, and I am in love with this product. Okay, so now moving ahead, we have something for our eyes. So let's move towards that. So one palette I'm going to show you which brown girls, dusky skin girls should own. That is a neutral palette. So today I have this Nykaa one. I know you guys will think that I'm showing too much of Nykaa, but then these are the products by Nykaa which are really good. So this is their Just Wink It Choco Chip palette, double chocolate chip palette. And guys, let me show you the color scheme. So this is how the colors are. They are so beautiful, and you know, every color is there. Whatever you will need, they have got you sorted. And pigmentation wise also, these are really good. So if you are a brown girl, you have to have some palettes which are neutral in nature, okay? Not even brown girl, like anyone can have these kind of palettes because they are really helpful if you are stepping out and you need some eyeshadow on your eyes. So these are going to help you out, and these are not even costly. So you can have any other palette also in some other brand, but then this is the one which I have, and I love using this one. Okay, so moving forward, we have something else for eyes also. So many of us like to use kajal, and that's fine, but I will say, like, dusky skin girls, brown girls should invest in good colored eyeliners. Those can be used as your eyeshadow base as well as colored eyeliner. So I am going to show you two eyeliners. These can be any of any brand, but you have to have them. So the first one is by Swiss Beauty. This is their Kajal, and the second one is the Lakme Iconic one. So I'm going to swatch the both for you. So the Swiss Beauty one is of electric blue, and the Lakme one is, which color is this? This is turquoise. Okay, so these two colors are really good for Indian skin tone, especially for dusky skin tones. So can you see? So these two colors, they just highlight your eyes and take your makeup to some other level. Even if you don't apply too much of makeup, you can apply these two pencils and get sorted. So yeah, must have. Now next, I am not a very lip liner kind of person, but I am applying some of the lip liners these days, and I am loving them. And one of the lip liner which is very inexpensive and really good is this one. This is the color Sensational by Maybelline, and this is in the shade Rich Chocolate. So this is a little dark shade, but guys, if you are darker than me, this is going to be your perfect nude lip liner. So this is the color I'm talking about. This is so creamy, you don't have to sharpen it. I like the K Beauty one also, but because that's a little bit expensive and you have to sharpen it, this is the one which you should go for. This is really good, and plus you don't have to sharpen it, and this is not that expensive also. You can get a good discount on these products, and I have got this one free. So can you imagine? So that was the ninth product, and coming up to the last product, which has to be a lip product, like lipstick. So I have two liquid lipsticks with me today. So let me talk about the first one. This is the L'Oreal Paris Signature Rouge lipstick, and the second one is the MAC Retro Matte liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Carnivorous, and this one is in the shade 103 I Enjoy. I am going to make another video on 10 lip products for brown skin girls, but in this video I'm going to show you why I like this one. So these are a little darker colors which suit Indian skin tone, like we dusky girls, some in such an adorable way. So this is the Carnivorous. This is such a pretty shade. I'm going to insert a picture of me applying this lipstick. This is such a great lipstick, but then if you find it a little too costly, you can use this one also. It's very similar to MAC's Carnivorous. This is the L'Oreal Paris I Enjoy. Again, it's a really pretty color. These both colors, they look bomb on dusky skin girls. So guys, this was about it. I hope you enjoy. Let me know which is your favorite product, which product dusky skin girls should have. If you like this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. All the video recommendations should be in the not description box, in the comment box. So yeah, take care.